Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for a single family residence? Sitting on approximately half-acre lot in one of Kingston's most desired area, Cherry Gardens. Well, this well-landscaped home with sufficient green space offers an ambience of serenity. The front yard is level and perfect for hosting guests or family gatherings. The property is host to a contemporary designed main house and a pristine one-bedroom self-contained flat. The main house consists of 4 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 baths, an aesthetically appealing family and a living room that is outfitted with marble tiles, which opens to the courtyard and a sprawling pool deck. The home also boasts an outside shower and bath, 2 storage rooms, a helper's bedroom with separate bath, and an additional bedroom off the pool deck. Locating a single-story home of this style can be tricky. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,350,000 or Jamaican $207.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.